Lawa-ke amazwibela enhlalo yami yezinyanga ezimbili eThera Luna. Sengahamba-ke kodwa ngiqala ngasekugcineni.
It's working, Jason! Yeah, you must come and see this!
Understand this concept of the ladder, the level of consciousness, because this is how you will be able to live in peace with your fellow man and avoid the attack of superiority, of spiritual pride, which would make you disdainful of what seems inferior. Nothing is inferior or superior in this matter, as these are internal levels that are surpassed through greater understanding and personal effort. Metaphysics. Metaphysics means beyond the physical, that is, beyond the material world. Metaphysics teaches truths that exist but are not seen. However, although invisible, they produce certain results, as the invisible world is the cause of everything that manifests. For example, energy does not reside in the motor we see, but comes from the invisible, although it is accepted as a concrete reality. Many truths exist but charged with this special task as the avatar of the new era since 1954, marking the beginning of the age of Aquarius. Saint-Germain imparts his teachings to and must strengthen themselves to not lose the treasure they have found. If they do not value it, the law will move them away to teach them a lesson. Generally, this leads to They act subtly, using humans, conscious or not, as forces launched from the fourth dimension, the astral plane, egregores or mental creations and suggestions. Their tactics are varied, and when they see someone accessing more light than usual, they try to prevent it. This often goes unnoticed because very few people are aware of these things. Those who are interested in witchcraft, psychism, spiritualism, Santeria, etc., are easy instruments for the lower astral, and find themselves caught in this web that disrupts their own lives and those of others. The other polarity also tries to distance the sincere student, but if they are warned, none of this has power over them. The section faculty, it is by no means appropriate to listen to voices. These are disruptive beings that spiritists call disturbing spirits. They are disembodied individuals who are in the astral plane awaiting a new reincarnation and are of a medium or low level of evolution. Loudly or pompously, while others think it consists more of attracting attention in any way to be noticed and distinguished. In reality, none of this comes close to the truth. A dynamic person is one who does something to change the world, and people who do something to change themselves. The extent of their work may not be great, but it is a fact that the world is a bit different, because this individual has lived and acted within it. That is what it means to be a dynamic person. Those who are dynamic always do something to change the world and people. We say this, and it is demonstrated by the example of many famous people who have succeeded in changing the lives, destinies of thousands of human beings, and their works are known to all, such as Emperor Napoleon, Washington, St. Paul, Bolivar, and others. There are also many men and women whose works are barely known, but who, on their scale, are dynamic.
That's a toy? I can't believe you guys are growing so much. I love you. Oh, you're so cute, baby girl. Do you want love now? If you want love, then you must stop fighting it. Stop fighting it. Look at it. You want it. It's not a toy. Makes you feel like it. Look. Look. No. No, put your head down. Night,
Good night.
night. Sweet dreams.
I think let them come.
You can eat that.
I don't know what this is.
It's a true sap. It's nice.
Is it?
It's not sweet.
I put it in the pot. You know what? I think Andreas is way enough.
It's gonna melt down. I don't think you must put in all of them, hey?
Oh, look at those seeds.
Yeah. Those are easy to see when they grow. That is chili, because at the top they're gonna have chili.
Okay. Ooh. I'll pick those up.
Okay, don't put too much, because the container is not that big. Okay, then lightly bury them.
I'm saving a seed. Saving a seed.
I took some of your dad's chili today to plant.
Oh, yes?
Yeah, but I haven't planted it yet.
That is so exciting.
Yeah.
I think I should actually do one of those for me, like by me as well, so I have a significant is that fine?
Mm-hmm.
No?
Yeah, that's fine. And then water. So
Is this sweet?
drink, taste.
Look at the time.
How is it?
This is lekker.
What are you drinking? Magap.
Mm.
You should drink Magap.
Yeah. It's the first time it's lekker.
So out of 10, how much will you give it?
Okay, I will give it, for me, on an everyday drinking basis, a 7.
Oh,
I would
okay.
have a sip in the morning because I can taste salt.
that, you drink it.
Do you down the whole thing like this?
I would eventually drink all of it, but
Yeah.
not in one go.
In a full day.
Not in a full day, just now. As a drink.
I would like it like as a shooter.
I'll do it a 3 out of 10.
It's just a grass snake or something.
Is it?
Yeah, but still don't get bitten, rather. I'm not like a snake.
Don't wet me, young lady. Where's Henk?
Some type of grass snake.
Where's Henk? Father Carolyn. Egg!
Thank you.
Only the brave ones down here. Trying to get a picture of how deep the roots grow. Also, yeah.
Hey! Move away!
Have you seen your dog?
Oh my goodness. Ja. Je mist gooi zijn bakje in.
Okay, then we put it in the back corner.
Yeah.
There in
I'm
the
so
corner.
lazy.
I'm saying, listen to me.
100 years ago,
It's done.
100 years ago,
We're extending it.
you'd have died, boy. If you're this lazy.
Take this other one. I feel like that's better. Then I can, yeah.
And then
Start
from
fresh.
now on, from
Yes.
this week, we'll set up.
Yes, please.
That'll be priority.
Yes.
So we'll have enough right on the plastic,
Please.
paper.
Yeah.
It's plastic, it's paper,
Okay.
it's metal.
So metal. Well, who does it separate? So metal we do the tins and stuff, right? Then we go
Education.
That's my job for next week.
Yes.
Clear the fence so we can plant the pumpkin.
All right.
And use the fence as our
The more clay you have, the more of a ribbon you can build with it. But because this is so sandy,
Yeah.
you can barely build a ribbon with it.
So I thought like I'm going into the trailer once I've built that. That's what's on the trailer. You can put that little one.
Can't even really roll a ball with it.
Double.
Yes.
That
Bit.
behind it irks the shit out of you. All that barbed wire.
So that's cement there. I want to build a fire furnace that we
So
can
that
burn
you can
our-
also do that. The quicker it cracks, the more
So then
sand it
it's in
is.
the perfect
It's another way
place.
of telling, but
But,
yeah.
but for now, I just want to
Getting
point
very
out
sandy,
that
so-
when we get this, no one sees it.
Is it there? Shouldn't have moved, you know. I'm saying I shouldn't have. What's that? Yeah, yeah. Behind you. Yeah,
Like that.
yeah.
Into it, but there is those inner impulses. All what you're looking at in this tree of life is actually. I don't know, Paul, if you could get in a little bit. I give the folks an idea of approximately what we're looking at. But that tree of life is basically is a diagram of the divine realms of consciousness within your head. That diagram is for what's located between your ears. Okay? All right.
Underneath that
And
one, yeah.
that's Lucifer, or the
I
tree
can't get it off.
of life. Now,
Oh,
All right.
it's inner
Can we just
wisdom,
use the
remember, this
spade?
isn't written.
Just cut the back of it off.
The
Yeah.
wisdom activities of God that manifest within are called, let me write this down so I get S-H-A-K-T-I. S-H-A-K-T-I.
can you see it now?
No, I'm going to check now.
Shakti. That's the energy which flows outward from God.
Can you see it?
Shakti flows
No, that's-
outward from God. That's what they say.
Okay, there he is.
That's
Oh my God!
Shakti.
No, don't scream. That's him there.
And we're going to get to the
Oh no!
That's, okay, I'll go take him far away.
very hostile.
Oh.
Feminine. All
I'm not going to kill him, man. I'm going to throw him away.
Okay. Why are you gonna throw him?
Hey, far away.
Okay.
Ngiyona ezongifundisa i-Afrikaans first.
Hello, Yuppie. Yuppie. Hello.
Ek soek al bietjie met Afrikaans.
People by face. Ngazi nje ngize ngibone intuthwane enempilo enama yini yona le. Yabona nje indaba zokwenza ihamsa. Intuthwane angazi ofana nje nami. Angazi ngibone intuthwane. So kukhona the meditation everywhere. Ihamsa ikwenza ukuthi ubone ube imagnet yento eningi. Ngizonifundisa ngizoyenza ivideo ku YouTube. Khona nizokwazi ukuyibona. Hey bafe. How pretty you are. Do you know you're the most amazing kitten in the whole entire world? Hello. I love you so much. Why are you running? There's no animal coming here for you. They're just flying the distance, baby. Relax. You can chill. Hey. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Such a beauty. Look at you! Well done! Yes, you need to go out. Yes! Good job! You're going back to your house. Not on the ground! Not on the ground! Yay! Good job. That way. Whoop, whoop. Go up to your usual place. Yeah. Okay. Slowly now. Animal whisperer. Is it because it's pissed off? No, that's a movie thing of those. Takes a lot of movie. Yay! Now go find your baby. Bye-bye. Back home. Back home. Find your eggs. Good job.
Is there enough space for it to get in?
Well, yeah, I've opened up now. That way. Good job. Do you remember your kids? Do you remember them? Good girl. That's such a good girl. Nalige ikhambi ke lokusiza ukuthi uma zakhele wakho we-storage ngabe usemakhaya njengoba ke sizenzela ke manje ke ama toilet esimanje manje Kodwa-ke mhlawumbe wenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe kunephungana ongalitholi kahle liphuma kuyo phela i-sewage layo noma-ke isitamkoko leso seyitholethe lakho eliflashayo. Into engiyifakile-ke laphaya enkomishini enkulu nje engangelitha, ngifake amanzi afudumele, ngafaka uhalf wenkomishi yoshukela o-brown. Ungawufaka noma onjani wena owuthandayo, kodwa kuba amanzi nje afudumele bese kuba ushukela. Amanzi-ke uyawakala, ngaba mhlambe uhalf umkhudlwana nje elitheni, noma nje amanzi uzobona nawe asikho isikalo esibekiwe. Bese-ke uthatha amaphakethe amathathu e-yeast noma ngabe iyiphi i-brand. Kuzoshiyashiyana-ke ukuthi mhlambe nengibanga-ke abantu abasebenzisa i-toilet leli enifuna ukuthi nisuse kuliphunga kwisitamkoko sakhona, kuleli nje engilenzayo sicishe siba 5 esisebenzisayo, kodwa hayi njalo ngoba likhona elinye i-toilet elingenankinga elingaphakathi endlini. Leli nje esilenzile ngaphandle endaweni la esikhempa khona, kodwa-ke ngibonile ukuthi kunephungana, ngizwile ukuthi kunephungana, ngase ngithi-ke ake ngizame ukuyilungisa-ke. So uhafu inkomishi yashukela, amanzi afudumele, ukuhlanganise, ufake amaphakethe amathathu e-yeast. Lokhu njengoba ngishilo thina-ke njengoba sibahlanu ngizokwenza mhlambe njalo ngenyanga. Kuzoshiyana-ke ngabantu, namhlambe-ke kwabanye uma ningebaningi kakhulu mhlambe i-toilet leli sitamkoko lisetshenziswa abantu ababili, mhlambe ungakwenza emva kwenyanga ezimbili. So mina lokhu ngizokwenza njalo ngenyanga. Ithi ihamba kanjalo kuzothi-ke uma usuqeda ukukuhlanganisa bese uyakulinda ukuthi kubile kancane, kodwa uqiniseke nje ukuthi ukuhlanganisa kahle nje impela. Akuzuphela ngisho imizuzu emingakanani ukugade ngoba kuyashesha ukubila ngoba ushukela mningi nama-yeast maningi. Bese-ke emva kokuthi kubilile kuzobe seyokuthatha-ke usuyokufaka kuyokujikijela laphaya esitamkokweni. Uma ukufaka awuzuvele nje ukuthi bo konke kanye, kufanele ukufake kahle ukuze nalapha uma kufika kusazoqhubeka futhi kubile. Ukuthele nje kahle, ungatatazeli, ungakutheli konke ngesikhathi esisodwa. Uyabona nje ube nendlela ne-timing yokufaka. Emva kwalokho-ke uzobe sewuvala-ke, uqinisekise ukuthi uyazihlanza-ke izandla zakho emva kwalokho, kanye nalento ozobe wenzela kuyo, ngoba phela njengoba uvule laphaya yonke into iyabila, kanti-ke nobungozi. Kanje no, it's going too hard. Oh shit. Hey, you're supposed to hold it like this. Fuck! Yeah, but that's how you do it. And I don't want the water to run out, so I'm gonna close it up a little bit. Whew. Such a mission. So you want to put the water all over your body, or the soap first, because otherwise the water will run out. Okay, I need a little bit. It's just awesome. It's just lovely. It's just lovely.
I'm going to teach you how to roll this thing, okay?
No, you don't need to. You're gentle in the front. No, please don't be too fast.
I'm going to teach you.
No, be careful. Remember this thing overheated not long ago.
No, it won't. No, it's all fixed. Friends of numbers. You know what? I'll tell you something. I was a passenger in 7 major car accidents. Passenger.
Okay, but don't cause one now.
Very well, because the sand is very woo! No, got you.
Oh my God. Okay, that's enough. Hey! But no, fuck! Stop! Oh my God. Thank God we're home. Inhliziyo yacisha yaphumela ngaphandle konke nezibindi yilo mama egijima ayingeke. Get you in the house. I am not getting in this quad again. Abachutha Abaqutha ngifike baliphatha kahle sekuluphela ijuba. Abaqutha ngifike baliphatha kahle sekuluphela ijuba. Oh, so you're not gonna eat our chickens, but you eat chicken, and you're not gonna eat our beef, but you do eat beef.
No, but I'm never gonna eat beef again because look at these eyes. But I told them they're never gonna slaughter our chickens ever. There's no way we can feed them and eat them. There's no way.
We've got chicken in the oven right now.
But the eggs are okay.
Yeah, the eggs are okay, but we do have our chicken in the oven right now that we're gonna eat.
That's ShopRite chicken. It's not our chicken. I'm never gonna eat that again, ever. ShopRite. So,
we
see
got
if
some
eating his
veggies in
food,
here.
he can have a snack with us.
Moet
Moet ek rys op sit hoor.
Kan jy gou laat gou die video praat? Can you start that video over?
Well done, Corne.
Sy moet vashou, né?
Yeah.
Just by the way, you got a nice face.
Oh, thanks. Don't touch.
Can I touch it?
No, don't.
Oh, don't.
Yeah.
Okay. I won't.
Okay.
I respect the lady when she...
He then yelled, "Get out! Leave now. The big me is going to sing," his subconscious mind told him, freeing all of his vital forces. When the call came, he walked out on stage and sang beautifully, captivating the crowd. You can now see that Caruso must have known that the mind has two levels, the aware or logical level, and the subconscious or illogical level. Your subconscious mind reacts to the way you think. Fear, worry, and anxiety build up in your subconscious mind, the big me. When this happens, the negative emotions that were stored there come out and fill your conscious mind with panic, foreboding, and despair. At this point, you can, like Caruso, speak positively and authoritatively to the irrational emotions that are building up in your deeper mind. Be still, be quiet. I am in charge. You need to follow my orders. You have to do what I say. You can't get in where you don't belong. Seeing how you... Also, the infinite intelligence in your subconscious can give you wonderful everyday knowledge. It can show you the way to perfect expression and your true place in the world. With the help of your subconscious mind, you can find the perfect partner or friend, as well as the right business partner or associate. It can find the right buyer for your home and give you all the money you need and the financial freedom you deserve. Your subconscious mind is full of powerful forces of light, love, and beauty that you have the right to explore. These forces are invisible, but they are very strong. If you can bring them out, you will find the answer to every problem and the reason behind every effect. You will have the power and knowledge to move forward in abundance, safety, joy, and dominion. When people are stuck, The power of their subconscious can free them and make them whole, healthy, and strong again. They are then free to go out into the world and experience happiness, health, and joyful expression. Your subconscious has a miraculous...
Veil the glories and wonders of life. Try to learn something new every moment of the day, and you will find your mind will always be young. 110 years old. Some years ago, while lecturing in Bombay, India, I was introduced to a man who said he was 110 years old. He had the most beautiful face I have ever seen. He seemed transfigured by the radiance of an inner light. There was a rare beauty in his eyes indicating he had grown old in years with gladness and with no indication that his mind had dimmed its lights. Retirement a new venture. Be sure that your mind never retires. It must be like a parachute which is no good unless it opens up. Be open and receptive to new ideas. I have seen men of 65 and 70 retire. They seemed to rot away, and in a few months passed on. They obviously felt that life was at an end. Retirement can be a new venture, a new challenge, a new path, the beginning of the fulfillment of the long way. It is inexpressibly depressing to hear a man say, "What shall I do now that I am retired?" He is saying, in effect, I am mentally and physically dead, my mind is bankrupt of ideas. All his changed mental attitude saved him. His confidence and trust in the subjective wisdom and power within him was the solution to his problem. He said, "Had I begun to bemoan my fate and indulge my fears, would have succumbed to the monster fear, and probably would have died of fear and starvation." He dismissed himself. "Mommy, I love my new daddy. Look what he gave me." She showed her mother a wonderful new toy. She said to me, "My heart went out to that little girl, and I knew how happy she must feel. I got a vision of how happy this woman was. All of a sudden I felt love for her, and I went into the office and wished her all the happiness in the world, and I meant it." In psychological circles today, this is called empathy, which simply means the imaginative projection of your mental attitude into that of another. She projected her mental mood or the feeling of her heart into that of the other woman, and began to think and look out through the other woman's brain. She was actually thinking and feeling as the other woman, and also as the child, because she likewise had projected herself into the mind of the child. She was looking out from that vantage point on the child's mother. If tempted to injure her in my
ngizongikhombisa manje ukuthi siyenza kanjani iyoko so ngizokhombisa kuqala
is not responsible for the way I think about him. I refuse to give power to any person, place, or thing to annoy me or disturb me. I wish health, success, peace of mind, and happiness for my boss. I sincerely wish him well, and I know he is divinely guided in all his ways. He repeated this prayer out loud slowly, quietly, and feelingly, knowing that his mind is like a garden, and that whatever he plants in the garden will come forth like seeds after their kind. I also taught him to practice mental imagery prior to sleep in this way. He imagined that his sales manager was congratulating him on his fine work, on his zeal and enthusiasm, and on his wonderful response from customers. He felt the reality of all this, felt his hand shake, heard the tone of his voice, and saw him smile. He made a real mental movie, dramatizing it to the best of his ability. Night after night he conducted this mental movie, knowing that his subconscious mind was the receptive plate on which his conscious imagery would be impressed. Gradually, by a process of what may be termed mental and spiritual osmosis, the impression was made on his subconscious mind, and the expression automatically came forth. The sales manager subsequently called him up to San Francisco, congratulated him, and gave him a new assignment as division sales manager over 100 men
think we will let them out once we have like that moving thing so that they don't wander everywhere.
The only way he can annoy you is through your own thought. For example, if you get angry,
Yeah, but then they're gonna scatter all over the farm. They need like maybe a place where we can limit them.
what he said.
But I mean, this one
You
here.
decide to get angry
Yeah.
and generate an emotion of rage.
Oh no, that one is gonna come out when she's done brooding.
Okay.
Perhaps you talk back and react in kind. You see that the thought, emotion, reaction, and action all take place in your mind. When you become emotionally mature, you do not respond negatively to the criticism and resentment of others. To do so would mean that you had descended to that state of low mental vibration and become one with the negative atmosphere of the other. Identify yourself with your aim in life and do not permit any person, place, or thing to deflect you from your inner sense of peace.
So there is this aspect of what we would say in Christian terms and Gnostic terms, trust in the Father. Decided to walk the path, to awaken your consciousness, to knock on the door. For the answers. Right? That, to keep that faith is something very important. Because, in a sense, there's not much you can do in terms of permanently changing. But what happens is your love, your commitment, awakening intensifies.
Zij grenzen ze zien, zij is soms koud, maar raakt vol verdwijnt. Tussen die sterren wat zo
This is dance with the. This is dance with the.
Kijk naar mij, vergeet die pijn. Schijn, schijn, maar verdwijnt. Kijk naar mij, vergeet die pijn.
Strong.
Ja, maar daai keeper is op keer. I knew it.
Kom daar man. So by the way, what do you call those things?
What things?
English, we call it a roaster. You put the meat in.
What's that?
That thing you put the meat in.
Oh, okay. I don't
What you cleaned the
know.
other day.
Yeah. What do you call them?
A rooster.
What do you call it in English?
That's what I'm asking you.
I don't know.
Roaster, because the roaster is like going to school. Dat gaan nou uitvind. Henk, help mij alsjeblieft. Wat is een rooster in Engels?
Na die weeskisse
Hallo.
Je branders breek
She don't like that.
She wants to chill.
Stronger, more resilient, more capable. So do not let fear hold you back. Acknowledge it, understand it, but do not let it control you. Now, talk about the incredible benefits that come from focusing on yourself. First and foremost, you will experience a greater sense of fulfillment and purpose. When you are actively working towards becoming the best version of yourself, life takes on a new meaning. You will wake up each day with a sense of excitement and anticipation, eager to learn, grow, and make progress. You will also likely see improvements in your relationships. When you are happier and more fulfilled, you bring more positivity and energy to your interactions with others. You become more patient, more understanding, more present. You have more to give because your own cup is full. Your career is likely to benefit as well. As you develop new skills, increase your knowledge, and grow in confidence, you become more valuable in the workplace. You will be better equipped to take on new challenges, to innovate, to lead. You might even discover new career paths that align more closely with your passions. Your health is likely to improve. As you focus on taking care of your body and mind, you will
Ooh, there's 2 here. There's way more eggs. What? I need something to carry.
She wanna be loved. There's nothing better than love. What in the world could you ever be thinking of instead of my heart? So let yourself reach for the star.
Hello.
No matter how far, to the one you love.
Hey, how are you doing?
So let yourself reach for that star and go no matter how far.
Because the understanding of the real meaning of words is empowerment. All right? There's 2 contextual definitions of not knowing something. 2 forms of not knowing. One form of not knowing is through no fault of our own. We cannot know something, and it's not our fault that we didn't know it. Then there's another variant of not knowing that is directly attributable to the actions of the person who remains in that state of not knowing. Meaning they are fully responsible for not knowing it. Okay? Nescience is the first form of not knowing. And this is the kind that is of no fault of our own or whoever else doesn't know. It comes from the Latin verb nesciere. Now, sciere in Latin means to know. Okay, you can look it up in any Latin reader, Latin dictionary. It's where we get the word science from. Science comes from sciere, right? To know, to understand. Nescio, we're tacking on
Blijkbaar gaan ze een spreipen doen. Pink en paars.
Negative, the negation of
Ja.
the term you're tacking it on to. Okay? So, nescio, nesciere, means to not know, to not understand.
Ja, daarom is er nog horen. Voor mij is er niks aan. Mijn zo.
She looks like a poo-poo, but I think she's cute. I think she looks cute like that.
Yeah, Mandy.
She was dying.
Papa bedoel af en aan.
Ja.
Waarom papa je aan en aan?
Stukje baarlijk en alles, ja.
Ons het dit bespreek.
Ja.
Eers ons hoor julle kom.
Het baie gekos hoor. Hier is al hierdie blaas op my hande.
Eers ons hoor julle kom. Weet jy hoe fucking ons Roan hierdie aarde breek om hy man net met tyd te kry daar.
Net daar.
Hy steek so.
Yes. Yes, but I can.
Wat jy gesê jou maat gestaan.
Ja.
Oh, Henk is shaking.
And actually
check the people as I move in.
Hello.
Okay. Jump, Karan, jump.
Yay! Kizzy, kizzy, kizzy. Look, Bob.
Okay, and these you know are ready to lay when you do this, and they stay. Get feed from, so they'll always return.
Okay.